Well, hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking two of quite a few padlocks that I had to pick at work. As you can see, Tri-Circle 263 and Tri-Circle 264. So that's the 263. They're a little bit sort of grotty due to use. That's the 264. Now a lot of people knock cheap Chinese locks, but these Tri-Circles can be quite difficult to open at times, probably due to bad tolerances, etc. But they're very cheap and they're good locks to pick. Let's have a go at the 263 first. A bit fiddly to hold. Bottom of the keyway. So obviously we're picking them at work, there is no working keys, it's locked up. I'm going to start at the back, work to the front, light to medium tension, and as you know, you're just sort of looking for binding pins inside. They're quite old, to be honest. So to the back, I'm not picking yet, I'm just trying to get the picking tension on. And that's just gone. Must have been sort of the bridge of the pick top there that helped there. Just do that again. Locked up. There will be a lot of grime in this, so could have been a couple of pins stuck. Yeah, got it again. So that's the Tri-Circle 263. Try the 264. Start at the front on this one and work to the back. You just get little bits of movement on the plug. Moved over a bit. Let's go that one. See, there could be a little bit of dirt and things in there. That's picked open. So that's the Tricircle 264 and the Tricircle 263. I think I'm going to pop these with my lock collection because quite nice little locks. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.